Welcome to your favourite teacher. I'm Miss Meeks, and today we're going to look at maps and scales. Well, before there was a GPS or map app on your phone, we had to rely on printed maps to find our way around. These maps were drawn proportionally, meaning that the distance between two towns on a map was related to the real distance. If you know the scale, you can work out the exact distance. Really useful if you are planning to take a trip by walking or by riding a horse. Maps generally have a scale printed on them, small and at the edge of the page. Here's an example. The scale will include a number. The number tells you how to convert a measure on the map to a real distance. For example, here it says that every 1 centimetre on the map is 500 metres in real life. This means that you can measure a distance of 4 centimetres and know in real life it's 2 kilometres. Different maps will use different scales depending on what they need to show. Maps of the country are generally zoomed out and use a larger scale, for example 1 centimetres per 10 kilometres, as there aren't many features to show in the maps. Busier landscapes, such as cities, can use a much smaller scale so that they can show all of the necessary details. Let's go back to our original example, but zoomed in so we can see more detail. Here's the scale. We can use our ruler to measure the distance between each end of Albert Street. You might be asked to calculate distances which aren't straight lines, like this one. Just measure each straight section, then add them together. In this example, that's 2.5 centimetres plus 1.5 centimetres, or 4 centimetres, and that's 4 kilometres. Sometimes scales will be expressed as ratios, for example 1 to 10. This means for every 1 centimetre in the diagram, the real object is 10 centimetres long. This is convenient for drawing small objects, animals, and scientific experiments, for example. You'll even see tiny scales for drawing really small things like cells. For example, you might see a scale of 1 to 0.1 if you're drawing a bee. That way your drawing is 10 times bigger than the bee, and you can identify and label key parts such as the antenna, the legs, which are sometimes too small to see in real life. I'm Miss Meeks with your favourite teacher. Thanks for watching.